everyone, today I'm going to show you an elephant toy for the children's room collection. And here are the materials that you need. Take your scrap clay and mix and condition them really well. I have already mixed mine earlier and I end up with this color. And I like this kind of project because I can put the scrap clay to use instead of just, putting them aside. Let's begin by making the base or the body of the elephant. Take some clay and roll it into a ball. Now this is quite important. To make the body, the bottom should be wide and the top narrow. I'm sorry that you can see it clearly, but I hope you get the picture. I didn't make an armature for this project because I won't be making too much details. Instead, I just added small wires for the head and the legs. But if you feel the need to make it extra strong, go ahead and add the armature. You need 5 small wires here. Stick the first wire on the narrow part of the elephant where the head should be. Then 2 wires on the front for the forelegs and 2 on the sides for the hind legs. Add liquid clay on the wires and pre-bake it. Take another clay and make 2 small balls. Just like the body, create the leg by making one end wider and the other end narrower. And then stick the foreleg in front of the body and make adjustments if necessary. Take another clay and make 2 small balls for the hind legs. Use the same method like the foreleg, but this time make it slightly longer and much narrower top. And then attach the clay to the sides and make sure that the wider part is facing forward and not downward. Make some adjustments if necessary. Now make another ball just slightly smaller than the body. Roll, pinch, and slightly pull one side to make the trunk and slightly curve the trunk upward. And then attach the head and make some adjustments. And then I also added some line as a detail on the trunk area using the back of the blade. And then you can also add holes to the trunk. Roll 2 small balls for the eyes and simply press it on the front of the head. It should be slightly flat. I decided to add wires to hold the ears since it is very clear to me that the ears won't hold without any support. So just stick the wire where you want the ears to be. Next, roll 2 small balls and flatten it to make the ears. I also added a small detail on the side of the ears. Next, slightly pinch the ears and attach the pinched side to the wire. Smoothen the seams on the back of the ears and then do the same thing on the other side. Add some liquid clay on the ears and completely bake the elephant. I used a mixture of light blue and light gray to create the bluish gray color to paint the whole body. I am also using an oil-based paint because in my observation, they settle well on polymer clay than the water-based paint. After painting, set it aside and let it dry. When the paint is dry, add the nails by using a white paint. I also painted the inner side of the ears using a white paint. And then next, paint the eyeballs black and add the eyebrow. And again, let the paint dry. To make the eyes lively, add a small white dot on the center or on the side of the elephant, depending on where you want the elephant to look. So here's the elephant, and I actually forgot to put the tail, so don't forget to put the tail behind. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and get notified for the next video. Bye bye and see you next Saturday.